Oh hey, I didn't see you there. Welcome to my channel. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? So today we're going to be doing a cute little everyday summer look. You know, you're going out with your friends, or you're chilling at home and then you're gonna go out with your friends, or you know, wherever you want to go. If you're just having a chill day, you can also glam this up a bit, I believe, and put your spin on it. It's whatever you want to do. So let's get into this video. So as you guys probably know by now, I only have 2 palettes, but that's okay.
Are you sure?
We're gonna work with what we got. So I already did my eyebrows. I didn't conceal them because I can't be bothered, girl. I really can't. So let's go ahead and prime our eyelid with some Flart Flake tape. I call this Flart Flake tape because it ain't no Tarte Shape tape, but it's the best concealer I've ever used in my life. So this is the Wondercover AOA Studio concealer, and we're just going to use it to prime our eyelids and maybe clean up our eyebrows a little bit underneath. So now that we have our concealer on, let's go in with some eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm going to just take this little fluffy brush from Wish that I got. Again, if you want to know the exact link or like the brand of this, just comment down below and I'll put the link down. Okay, so first we're going to take this transition shade in the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette, and we're going to use that as our transition shade. I'm going to take this AOA Studio F19 brush, just put some setting powder all over my lid. I use the Airspun powder. You can get it at Walmart. I would freaking cry if Walmart sponsored me. Do they sponsor people? That'd be so cool. Okay, so eyes are set, girl. Eyes are set. We're gonna continue with what we were doing. I don't remember which shade I used, so I think I used that one. I hope I did. And then just do the same to the other eye. Also, make sure you take time blending out, because you don't see how much I'm blending because I'm editing it out because it's boring. But make sure you're blending it out. You don't want no harsh lines on your eyes, you know what I mean? It's a transition color, so it's not gonna be like bold anyway, but you know what I mean.
You know what I mean.
Okay, girl. So now that we have transitioned, go in with another transition. This e.l.f. crease brush, and go into Admire from the Aphrodite palette from shophush.com. For a dupe palette, this pigment is crazy, y'all. I'm serious.
Serious.
Okay, then after you have that in there, just blend it out again. With the same fluffy brush. You don't gotta clean it. It's okay. I don't know the names. Oh, they're on the back. That's nice. Then we're just gonna put that in our crease as well and blend it out. Now I'm just going to go in with this shimmer shade right here in the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to put this in the center of the lid. I don't know what I'm doing. I didn't plan this. Let's see how it goes. She is shimmery, girl. Are you kidding?
Whoa.
Okay. To add a little more drama to this look, I'm going to take the color Blushing from the Aphrodite palette on a little e.l.f. blending brush and try to just add a little more suspense to my eye look. The wrong brush to use. I'm gonna go in with this little, what is this? Well, it looks like this. I don't know what it's called. I'm going to take Flirt from the Aphrodite palette and put it in my crease. And then blend it out. And then we're going to go back in with that cute little shimmery shade from the Jaclyn Hill X Morphe palette. Is that what it's called? No, it's just called Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. Yum! Whose wig is this? Girl, there's not going to be a day when you see me put my wig on correctly. And I should have done this before, but I'm going to go in and take some of this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Makeup Stick highlight and put it on my finger. And this would be like an awesome base for your little shimmer eyeshadow thing that we're doing. And I should have done this before, but I'm just going to put it over it and see what happens. Okay, it kind of did nothing. Kinda. And then I'm just going to do that to the other eye. And I haven't put shimmer on the other eye yet, so don't worry. This looks kind of boring, if I'm honest. I feel like we need some more drama. So I'm going to go into my Aphrodite palette and take tease on the AOA Studio E124. And I'm just going to put that on the center. I guess kind of in a way this is almost like a halo eye, except we're lazy and we didn't cut the crease. And then I'm just going to take some more tease and with the same brush put it in my inner corner. Okay, and now for the bottom lash line, we are going to use blushing from the Aphrodite palette. It's a little scary. Looks a little bit like we're sick. So, I'm just going to try to blend it out with our blending brush from Wet n Wild. Yeah, I look like I have a cold. That's kind of cute, right? Like, I'm going to take this transition shade, put it on the bottom lash line. And I'm just going to go ahead and put some more tease on my center of my lid. And I feel like darkening up the crease, girl. I don't know. I just feel it. So, let's go ahead and take Admire. I feel like every eyeshadow look I do, I look like a raccoon until I put on lashes. I don't know if anybody's out there vibing with me, but that's how I feel. You know? And then I'm going to take a clean blending brush. This is another brush from Wish, and I'm just going to try to fade it out so it's not so rough at the top. So we're going to go in again with tease on our finger and put it on our brow bone. Just kidding, I'm going to use a brush because I'm freaking bougie. And same to the other eye. Okay, and so now I'm just going to go in with my AOA Studio liner. I'm probably going to use this a lot for like every video just because I trust it now. And it was $1, y'all. Everything I use that's from AOA Studio is $1. Now, I don't usually do winged eyeliner just because I feel like it kind of corrupts an eyeshadow look that's more rounded like this. Now, if we did an eyeshadow look that was like really like cut and clean right here, then maybe I would do a winged liner. But if it's just some little natural little rounded eyeshadow look, then I'm just going to put on enough liner for my fake lashes to stick to. And I'm just going in with this Muse Cosmetics Pro Big Mega Lash Waterproof Mascara. Again, from Shop Miss A. I trust it, y'all. It's $1 and I trust it and I love it. Before I do the lashes, I'm going to do my face makeup just because lashes are my freaking favorite part. And I want to save them for the end because it's the best for last, you know? I'm just going to go in with my favorite foundation right now. And you can use your favorite too. But this is the Dermablend Professional Leg and Body Makeup. Hey, Nadda. Yeah? You know, you forgot primer, right? Oh, for real? Okay, baby girls. Now we're going to put on some little cream contour, like always. I honestly don't even know if this works. I just keep using it because it's really subtle. You know it, $1, girl. It's $1. Judge for yourself though if you like it. You'll see. Alright, so now that that's finished, I can't tell if it looks okay. Hold on. Who? What is that? Now I'm just gonna go in with some concealer and just highlight a little bit, you know. Okay, and now we're just going to set our face. Now, this is kind of weird and a little bit unorthodox, but I like to just take the beauty blender, dip it in the powder, and press it into my skin. For me, it kind of, it brightens my face for sure, and it also sets my face at the same time. So like, I'm good. Now when you press powder into your skin, it gives it a more like flawless finish. And that's what I'm trying to go for. I'm not trying to look cakey. And it really helps with that. Because if you're just letting the powder like sit on top of your skin and then like wiping it off with a brush, there's still some like leftover particles on top of your skin. I'm just going to go ahead and take some blush, girl. I don't have a bronzer. Maybe I'll get a bronzer when I get my paycheck. But for now, we're just going to use some little dollar blush. I'm going to take my finger on this Mega Glow Wet n Wild stick, and I'm just going to pat it on my cheekbones. I'm using this as like a base for my powder highlighter because I like to glow, girl. Even if it's an everyday look, I like to glow. So now that that's on, I'm going to take my favorite, the best, award-winning, jaw-dropping, world and life-changing LA Colors Strobing Illuminating Powder. Doesn't look like much, girl. Wait till we put it on. Okay, so now we're going to take our busted little Wet n Wild Mega Last lip color in the shade Bare It All. I heard online that people were comparing this to Velvet Teddy by MAC. I've never seen that lipstick, so I don't know. But we're going to try this and see what happens. It's a cute little nude moment. Oh, so now for my favorite part. These are from AOA Studio. Again, girl, it's $1. Go get it. You ready for the magic? Okay, you guys, so here's the final look. You know, it's just a little something. It's not over the top. It's not overly glam. But it'll get all the little boys on the street looking at you, saying, hey, little mama, what's up? You know? I hope you enjoyed today's videos, guys. Again, if you have any tips, comments, questions, whatever, comment down below. Let me know. I want to get to know y'all. And I want to start being like a family, you know, being like a family. And I love you guys. Thank you so much for people who have already started subscribing. You will not be disappointed. I'll be working very hard trying to post as frequently as I can. So far, I've posted 3 videos within this week. So hopefully I can just keep going and going and going and posting more than just once or twice a week. So thank you guys so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll see you later.
Alright, alright, alright. Okay, okay, okay. alright.